Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Recipe for today, some curry steamed fish. The recipe is eatable, tastable, delicious. I'm going to show you how I prepare my recipe. Please remember to like and share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. 7 time rise, 7 time fall. We don't believe in the falling thing. Big up a sexy body girl and big up a true warrior. Big up Father God first and everything. So guys, we have some doctor fish, right? So you don't know if I wash them off. We have a scale them and see, because you don't know they have some small scale. So I show you step by step. We have some small fish children, see me, because I don't know. We have to put some fish children in the doctor fish them and see it. Guys, this recipe is eatable. So you don't know, so you wash them off and crepe them and gut them and thing, yeah. See tool and meat board and thing, you know, so outside. So you don't know, so we'll bring them back inside and thing them. So we have some vinegar to it, cut to the rawness. Guys, it's a recipe is eatable, tastable. So you know, say a curry steamed fish recipe. So you know, I add some seasoning and things. I put enough seasoning on the fish because I'm not going to use no salt. Because I know the season having salt already. Yes, so please watch the video step by step. Yes, my peeps. So I'm starting to rub in the season. So yeah, I'll season fish. If you want to stay for 6 to 5 hours. Yeah, so recipe, you know, have some butter and thing down to the pot. So I'm going to melt it. The way how me melt my butter and things. So I'm going to rub it and things. So I oil the whole of the pan and thing, yeah. I grease the pan. Yes, my peeps. So you know, the butter melt and things. So I'm going to add some scallion, pepper, ginger, piece of thyme, piece of garlic, right? Yes, make that one. Stir fry. So I'm going to add the curry. So remember, please to burn the curry first, right? Yeah, we do the real cooking. Burn the curry, so you can't wrong. So you know, have no run belly, the belly can't at you once you burn the curry like this. So guys, you know, we start burning the curry and thing, yeah. You can see what I go on there. Step by step, I show you the recipe. Make the curry go and burn for 2 to 3 minutes if the oil is well hot and things. So add the vegetable them. So you stir fry them at the curry to get your flavor or want it, yeah. You can see step by step. Yes guys, so you don't know, add some pumpkin and more. Yeah, that's like curry dropping at the pot, but mistake, you see, so you don't know, yeah. So add the pumpkin and you can see carrot right there. You can see the Irish. You can see all the vegetables and thing, peeps. So you stir fry it and thing with curry. Remember, it's a curry recipe. I got nice, eatable, tastable curry steamed fish. Presentation, eatable, delicious, finger licking, tastable, guys. So you know, so yeah, so I stir fry the vegetable and thing then, so yeah, there's another update. I'm add the coconut sauce to it and thing now. So I show you step by step. That can cook 5 minutes. Come on, Irish and pumpkin vegetable get soft and things, so you don't know. You have to cook the vegetable them first, guys, right? Yeah, make that go and cook down for 5 more minutes till the Irish them get soft. Guys, when I go lock it, I go and cook till them get soft and thing. Another update on the fish and thing, well season up and thing and spice up. Yeah man, them doctor there. I tell you guys. So you see recipe there, another update. You know, really start boil with me, I show and see me presentation to me, I stir it. I love stir my pot, you know, guys, because I don't want to itch up, you know. I don't want my pot to burn up and thing and see it. So guys, you don't know, say it's a boil and thing, and don't want, you know, say another update and thing. Yeah, so I add the okra because I don't want to mash out. That's why I don't really cut them small, guys. Guys, I'm going to tell you. So when I cut the okra them too small, they mash out and pack. But some of you want my steamed fish. Real country cooking me I deal with, guys. You see? So lock the pot now. The okra next 2 minutes and thing. You want to cook. So you know, so the fish then I'll add them to the sauce and things. So you don't know. You want the vegetable cook first and things. So I show another update. Yes, the vegetable cook already. Yes, guys. So I show you the recipe. Remember, say a curry steamed fish. It's a recipe that eatable, tastable, delicious. So guys, you can see presentation of the pot and thing. So I'll lock it back. Give it to the next 2 more minutes. Yeah, because the Irish and cook as yet. So you see, add the fish them and things. So I show you step by step. Yes, so you fish them there. Presentation, eatable, tastable, delicious, and the recipe don't do as yet. Guys, may I tell you, the recipe is nice, eatable, tastable, delicious. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Please like and share. Please watch the video to the end and subscribe. Like, leave a comment and share. So you know, put the rest of vegetable on top of it because I want the presentation. Because some me steam my fish, yeah. So peeps, I'll give fish for the next 2 minutes to 3 minutes because I don't know a fish, you know. Fish are one of the easiest recipe as food, easily to cook, right? So then I prepare up my vegetable and fish and thing to get the presentation and thing. So then I put my fish. So guys, when I come back, I go and cook for 2 minutes, yeah. another update on the recipe again. See that simmer down and thing there. You know, we don't really want a high fire, we just want a little normal fire for the heat can penetrate to the fish and thing, guys. Yes, that's the recipe there. You know, you want to want 2 more because you want the gravy if you just switch up and tick up. I remember say a steamed fish recipe. It's a recipe is eatable, tastable, delicious, finger licking, guys. That mouth there running water, I'm hungry. Guys, I'm not telling a lie. It's a recipe is nice, tastable, delicious, finger licking, eatable, tastable. Guys, you can see the recipe. Remember, curry steamed fish with coconut sauce. It's a recipe. You have some dumpling, some banana. So you know, so some boiled dumpling and banana, just natural, simple. Remember, say burial pass, you know, so you know, say banana tree them blow down, so no go town. And the one bunch we could have find is easy fish them there. Well steam and ready and thing. Yes. So I'm show another update on the dumpling and the boiled banana. It's a recipe. I got tastable. So you know, I add a green banana skin to the pot first. Cause so I see my grandfather cook it and my grandmother. So them say that banana skin there, take away the taste, take away the stain, take away the stain out of the pot. So more time add some cooking oil and you put the banana skin. Yes, so guys, please remember to like and share. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Cooking, Lumberjack. See presentation of the food, the dumpling, banana, the fish. Yes guys, the okra, the carrot, you can see the Irish, everything. You can see what are the spice them. The recipe are nice, eatable, tastable, delicious, finger licking. Remember Jamaican Cooking, Lumberjack.